Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have this lovely 2017 Land Rover Discovery 5 HSE Luxury. So it is a relatively high spec car. Starting on the exterior, it's finished in the lovely silicon silver metallic, which does actually come across as more of a grey. Does also have the black design pack with your front grills and your vents in black, as well as the alloys. Do have LED headlights with your high beam assist as well. The alloys are 21-inch 9-spoke design. You do have your rear privacy glass and your fixed side steps. Moving around to the rear, you do have the electric tailgate and you do have the electric third row seating as well. Moving inside, you do get the lovely Nimbus Windsor leather with the espresso interior. As this is the HSE Luxury, you do get the factory fitted rear seat entertainment, the sliding front sunroof and then the fixed rear sunroof, along with your 4-zone climate control and your heated outer rear seats. Moving into the front, we do have the Meridian surround sound system. You do have electric front seats as well with your driver memory. Nice little feature as well, you do have the winged headrests in the front, with it being the HSE Luxury. Some other little features, it does have the heated steering wheel with your cruise control. As you can see, it's done just under 60,000 miles from new, with all your in control, touch pro, nav, etc. through there. It does also have 360 parking aid and surround cameras with your park assist. Overall, just a lovely example Discovery. If you do have any more questions on this vehicle, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.